Oh wow. Oh wow, so delicious looking. This is New York strip steak. New York strip steaks. Oh yeah. Pick it up, pick it up. See? We're gonna pick up, put on the plate. One more, see, flip. Looks nice, looks nice. Very delicious looking. New York strip. Cooking, grilling on George Foreman. We use these spices, see, complete seasoning, lemon pepper. Then we have lime juice. We use this mustard, mayonnaise. We used a little bit soy sauce. And then we got this. The Old Bay we used. And then we got the steak. So beautiful. Old Bay, this is good for seafood. But we have steaks. Steaks looking so delicious. So delicious, so delicious on this George Foreman. Wow. We're cooking and cooking. I'm gonna try this steak. See what this steak tasting like. Let's try it out. Oh yeah. Looking cooked. See? No blood. See, no blood. And looking delicious. Mmm. So soft and tender. So soft and tender. Mmm. Oh, delicious. Let's try next piece. Baby, try it. See how it tastes. Show me. Show me how it tastes, baby. Let me show you. Bite it. Bite one time. Bite. Let me see. Oh, a little bit hot, I know. This stuff hot. But how's it? You like it? You like it? So delicious. Let's cut one more piece. Try it out. A little bit more. Oh, wow. Thank you for watching. God bless. Thank you.